Hi, my name is Olivia Lee, and I'm here to tell all of my teacher friends about oceanography and how much fun it is to teach in the class. Today, I'm going to have three friends help me. We have Dory, Nemo, and Squirt. While some kids can think that the ocean might be scary, it is your job to teach them about how wonderful the ocean is and why it needs protecting. First, Dory and I want to give you a definition for oceanography. According to the Scholastic Children's Dictionary, oceanography is the science that deals with the ocean and the plants and animals that live in them. So let's break down that word. Ocean is the entire body of salt water that covers about 71% of the Earth's surface, and ography means to study. So the word oceanography means to study our oceans. Even though Squirt is from Australia, he wants us to remember that there are 5 oceans on our planet: the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, and Arctic oceans. However, which ocean is the biggest? The Pacific is by far the biggest ocean in the world. It's larger than the other 3 oceans put together, and it's also much deeper. If you look at a globe, you'll see that the Pacific reaches halfway around the world. Wow! Even Squirt is impressed. Next, Nemo wants to remind everyone, and Mr. Ray's friends, that tides have rhythm. Twice a day, the sea steadily creeps up and along the shore, then steadily falls back again down the long line of sand. This rise and fall of water is called the tide. A long time ago, people knew that the moon caused tides. Then, a great scientist named Sir Isaac Newton discovered gravitation. This is the force by which all the stars and planets in the universe pull at each other across thousands of miles. Our Earth feels most strongly the pull of gravity from the sun and moon. However, the moon is always pulling at the Earth, just as the Earth is pulling at the moon. When the watery surfaces of the Earth are turned toward the moon's force of gravity draws the Earth's water into a great swell. At the same time, there is a great swell of water at high tide on the opposite side of the Earth too. When the moon is low in the skies, its pull on Earth is not so strong. The sea waters fall back from the shore, and there is a low tide. This is a very important concept for children to understand if they are to understand the whole concept of oceanography. So Dory, Squirt, and Nemo all want to remind you that teaching oceanography to children is very important, and that over time we can teach children that the ocean is important and must need protection.